Warning, if you don't have special authorization to access this information, destroy this tape immediately. Strange events observed in the mines of Balan, Romania, and or nearby Cameroon, all miners will be equipped with head cameras. The recorded tapes will be sent straight to Moscow for analysis.
Hey, comrade. Thank you for coming in this late at night to do the job. I'd do it myself, but I have to sit here all night. I'm not allowed to leave this building until morning.
Anytime, Arpit. What happened here exactly?
It's kinda strange. We started exploring and blowing up new caves, but suddenly half of the crew got really sick, and some of them started to become crazy. Doctors still haven't found the cause. They theorize there's some kind of virus in the caves, but after messing around, they decided the mine is clean from any infections. Anyway, you just have to go down there and collect all the equipment left there by the miners. Because of these events, we are kinda short-staffed, so you'll probably have to come in for a few days at least.
And what about this new directive? Why do we have to wear these headcams?
I don't know. This is the only mine we have to do this. And the orders came straight from Comrade Brezhnev. Crazy, right? I don't know about you, but I'm kinda honored the great Brezhnev cares about our small town. Anyway, collect the equipment, then you can go home. Good night, comrade.
Comrade Brezhnev is visiting Romania today. A meeting will be held in Bucharest with Comrade Culescu. They will visit the mine in Balan around midnight. This is private information. The public does not know about it. This morning, the miners continued exploring the caves. 7 more workers became sick. We will send miners from the working camps and prisons. After their shift is over, we will contain them. It is important to find out the cause of the sickness and madness. We will send the Hunt to inspect the writings and symbols found on the walls. Hunt was in the mines yesterday to collect the equipment left there by the miners, meaning he is already infected. Our speed will follow him home to watch his behavior.
Comrade, why the fuck is the Soviet army here?
Brezhnev left a few hours ago. He left a few dozen soldiers here to, secure the mine. So, you have a degree in history, right? The commander here wants you to go down there and inspect the things. They've found writings, symbols. You should check it out. I have to go, but it's important. If you see anything strange, it's probably just your mind playing tricks on you. It's 3 in the morning. You're tired. Just don't look at them. Take care.
People spending long time near the mine in Balan slowly stopped existing. We created the Mikhail scale, showing the existence level of entities. If something is 0 on the scale, it does not exist. 1 is the maximum value, meaning an entity or person exists. As long as a person doesn't fall below 0.5 existence on the Mikhail scale, they can fully recover with enough time. People between 0.5 and 1 are disfigured, their anatomy is inconsistent, but they are mostly harmless. They are questioning their existence. If you see them, look at them, and they will go away. Entities below 0.5 are below the point of no return. If you stare at them, they might become aggressive. If you see one, try to look away, otherwise they might try to kill you. Do I exist? Do I exist? Do I exist?
Hey, change of plans. Come back to the surface immediately. You can go home. Please, don't try to stay there.
had spent too much time in the mines. His existence level was too low. He was eliminated this mine in his town. Comrade Brendan became sick after his rising in the mine. Doctors said he only has a few days left. Comrade and Open will take power after Brendan's death. The mine in Balan will be closed. Our scientists could not understand the events happening there.